This is the UR replica kit. It comes with 4 arches, pair of side skirts. Can use the original bumpers. If you could source some, you could have UR Quattro bumpers. I'll hopefully be making the moulds for some of those next year. But in the meantime, instructions will be given on how to fit the kit. It's quite straightforward, any body shop could do it, or any competent DIY mechanic. If you've got a welder and a grinder, that's all I did when I was doing my first kit. This was moulded off my original B2 coupe quattro wide arch track day car. I'm moving on to a long wheelbase sport quattro for this next one, which there'll be some episodes coming up about working on that and how the build's going.